immediately after Christ shocked his apostles with the surprise announcement that one of them would betray him. As would be expected, Jesus is at the center of the scene, his body forming a triangle, symbolic of the Holy Trinity. Indeed, the apostles are divided into 4 groups of 3, creating a symmetry that also repetitively highlights the 3 persons of the Trinity. Even the fact that there are 3 windows behind Jesus has been seen by some as a symbol of the